What's up, everyone? It's your boy. It's your boy. J-O-S-S-B-R-S-S-O. Let's go. Math. Math. M-A-T-H. Math. M-A-T-H. Math. M-A-T-H. Math. Math exam. Oh, I'm about to baby. Oh, I'm about to kick my ass. Oh, I'm about to kill myself. No, that was a joke. But math exam. It's 1 a.m. Like always. I got my exam in like 7 hours. In like 7 hours? Huh? 7 hours? 7 hours? 7 hours? God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Damn it. God. God. Pom 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 pom. Damn it. Karip kripo Sometimes I really do wonder, am I stupid? But everyone's stupid, right? Am I just the only stupid person? Maybe. Whew. My eyes, bro. My eyes are like. My eyes are like. Right now? No, don't. Focus. Hocus pocus focus. What is my purpose? Math. Pass math. Yes, you're right. I was doing papers. Question. Papers. Given the complex numbers, determine the polar and exponential form of zi, z1, z2. Compute w of is w z1 square times z2 times 7. So if I understand, the complex number I square is 1. No, minus 1. I is the root of minus 1, and it's an imaginary number that represents the root of a negative number. Am I right, gang? I'm right. I'm always right. Stop. My eyes are tearing up. So what did you do? Given determine the polar and exponential form of z1 and z2. What did you do? So you found the absolute value of z1 equals so what did you do? You squared the internal values. I took the what? What did you do? Then y1 equals arg z1 equals arc cos minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now I'm working. Question 4. Question 4? Yes. With anyway. That's a song. Skiri pipi skiri. Magnitude. Root. You missed the root. I understood the. I did understand the polar, the absolute value part, but I don't know, polar or form. I heard someone use the chat. Also, what's with the whole angles? Yo, somebody's using the chat. Crack-a-lack-a-boom lang. Prakash Thumb. Hey. Sup, biochemist. What's up? I got a math exam coming up in like 7 hours. God damn it. And I haven't slept yet. Crack a thumb. Oh, you see that? So, math exam. I need to pass this exam. That's all I know. Damn, what's like the time in back in? Yo, what happened here? Stop. Sleep is important, especially girlfriend sleep. What you mean by that? Girlfriend sleep. I can know. But not gonna lie, sleep seems really cool. Right now I can just go. This might help. It means you need a girlfriend. Oh, yes, you are right. I should need one. Polar versus exponential form. Both forms use absolute value and angle. What the f does angle has to do with this? Matthew legit. My man's. What's up? Hello, brother. Miss you. Oh. Appreciate that. Oh, you miss me? Identify the quadrant. What are the angles? Angle theta tells you the direction of complex number on the graph to find without a calculator. Okay, go study, get a 2-hour nap before your test. Yeah, respect for checking out, but yeah, 2 or 3 hours. I should get sleep. I was on your lives, but I didn't know by the message. Hey, baby, I missed you, baby. Yo, what's up, bitch? What's up, What's up, technology, bitch? Breach? Look at the signs of your X and Y parts. Bollock. You said the magic word. Bollock. That snapped. Baby, come on, baby. You should. You know what you should do? You should. LOL, yeah. These. I don't want to say the word because YouTube might be like, oh, crack it, Tom. We gotta crack your thumb. We gotta crack your thumb because you said a bad word. I don't want to say it. Why the angles matter? Why? It's a W, it's not Y. Okay, can we start again? Okay. Can we start again? Can we start again? I didn't get the part where you explained the angles. The angles? It's day 343 already. Yeah. So close to 1 year, yo. It's been only 1 year since I started studying. Is that good? I don't know. Of course, let's start fresh in the context. How to calculate the angle step by step. What about the absolute value? Did you just forget? You just forget the absolute value? You plot your complex number on a graph. It's the distance between the center to the point. Angle theta is the direction you have to turn from positive x-axis to reach that point. Positive x-axis, that... I'm happy. At least I could join now. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep. Yo, you should get your sleep, gang. Sleep is really important if I understand. But for me, I feel like tonight is okay. You follow these trips. Find the ratio. We know that cos theta is real part by absolute value. Have a good night, brother. Respect. Rispetto. Sine theta is 1 by 2. It's root 3. Why won't you show the root 3 part? I don't know if you didn't. Okay, I feel like. Determine the gradient and Hess matrix of the function. I know, I feel like Hess matrix could be asked. I do remember the transpose. I do remember cross product. I do remember little bit of the Supervog. Yo, what's up? Supervog. I feel like I heard that name before. Yo, I'm not in a position to search shit up. But you know what? I'll just search what the fuck is this. Why is it not searching? Yo. No. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I know this. I've seen this. Yep. I've seen this. Not from you. I did not know this guy have a name and a website. I did not know that. I thought it was some 4chan shit. But I guess God, this person had a website. The things people do, huh? The things that people do makes you question. Oh, if we have billions of human beings, statistically, one person is gonna eat their own shit and make content of it. I guess. Finding the absolute value. I understood the part to finding the absolute value. The 3 is crucial for. If you search it up, you will throw up. I mean, I've seen this before. It's not my first time I'm seeing this thing. I think the first place I saw was on 4chan. Yeah. Oh, I don't use 4chan that much, but when I opened 4chan, I did see this thing. Yeah. The more I think, it's just fucking fucking me up. It should be a fetish or something, I guess. Why would you not play games? Because I got an exam tomorrow. I got an exam coming up and I'm kind of... What's wrong with the exam? It feels like every day. Maybe for you, not for me. My next game session would be on Wednesday. That's like 2 days from now. That's the time I give myself to play games. Finding the angle. Oh, please. I don't understand. Cos theta equals real part by r. What is real part? Wednesday. Oh, come on. I want you to play a game. Damn. I wish I could, man. But Wednesday, sleeping dogs. Sleep. Who played this game? Not even... Yo. Sleeping dogs? Don't you underestimate sleeping dogs, okay? It's a good game. Boring game. Oh. If you say so. But I do enjoy the game. And it runs on my computer. That's a really important factor. My computer runs very few games because it's an exclusive computer, okay? It don't run any game. It runs very few games. It's like a VIP computer. I gotta water my computer. Like I water plants. Yes, the formula is standard rate. Okay, real part. A real part, as in real number. Which... Why would you not play Project Zombies? Yo, where did you get that game? Project Zombies? Project Zombies, that's the name of the game? Which class? Right now I'm in university, but I'm studying math related to class 12. Nah, bro. A game called Project Zombies? Get the fuck out of here, bro. Might as well just call the game video game. Project Zombie. Bro, I forgot the name, bro. You lost it, bro. Project Zombies or something with zombies in the name? At least Sleeping Dogs was had a name completely different from the story or the game in general. There's no dogs that sleep in Sleeping Dogs. By looking at the reminder table, why the ratio is important. Okay, So if I understand, real part by I'll try doing this. Z1 equals root 3 plus I and oh well, why is it slow now? Z2 equals 1 by 2. Project Zomboid. Zomboid. Nah. Nah. I gotta search this. Search this trash. Let me see what abomination it is. Zomboid. Oh, bro, come on. I've seen this. And it's an old game, if I understand. Yeah, it's 2013. I don't know. I kind of want to try it though. How much do I gotta pay? Oh, 13. That's pretty expensive though. Still fun. Oh, okay. But not right now because I don't have money to buy the game. But hey, looks pretty fun though. It has that pixelated art style. But really hard. Oh, why it's hard? Why is it hard? Oh yeah, Manhunt is the best one. Is Manhunt in this game or are you talking about another game? Manhunt the Gore game. Okay. That's another game. Manhunt. Okay. It's from Rockstar. Ah. But it does not have that much rating on Steam. Why? Is it that gore? How bad can it get though? Because they're a loser. A lot. The game is made for 21. Oh, okay. I mean, from the looks of it, how much gore can it get though? Oh, Steam does not have the game on my location. I gotta pirate a lot. Oh, I need to see the gameplay. I never knew such a game existed. Your confusion comes from very common misunderstanding on how the absolute value formula works. While if it's true in algebra, that's not how we calculate the length. Can you see what? That it's not available on Steam? Yeah, of course. There you go. There's buy now, PC. It should show up in euro. Yeah, it's in euro. I got a pirate. And I know how to pirate. Oh, but it's Rockstar. Next day they're gonna be like, yo, you just fell right into our trap. You were part of the game. You were part of the manhunt. What? What did you say? Aditya Magar. Yo, can you hear me? No. I don't know. I didn't know you could talk. Look at the trailer. Trailer for GTA 6 or the game. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Bro, see David Goggins, not right now, gang. I got an exam coming up just a minute. See David Goggins edit? You don't know me, son. You don't know me, son. Ah. So when we find the absolute value, so when we going for the absolute value, that the man you need to see. I've seen some Goggins edit. I'm also studying. That's good. I have seen some Goggins edit. Who's gonna carry the boats? Who's gonna carry the boats? When are we going for the absolute? The value of I gets replaced by 1, or it's gonna just what is this song? I'm the hint of When calculating the absolute value, you only use coefficient of I. You do not replace I with 1. Rather, you identify the real number that is multiplying I and use that number in the formula. So here in case of coefficient of I is 1. I get it. Get it. Again, plus. Cause minus, I get it. Cos real Bro, I hope you will be getting good marks for real. Respect. Aditya Magar. I also hope whatever exam you're studying, I hope you also get good marks, gang. Respect. Fuck. Where's Mr. Worldwide? Where is Mr. Mr. Dale? Where's Mr. I remember where's Mr. Worldwide. Just a minute. My legs. Got him. Mr. Worldwide is here. Ain't nobody gon' mess with Mr. Worldwide. That's useful? No, it's not useful. Mr. Worldwide, let's go. Oh, Mr. Worldwide is ready to go. Cos inverse. So if I need cos inverse, you're Indian or Bangladeshi? I'm from India. But hey, you got it really correct. Your pattern recognition is good. Good job. 3 root divided by 2. 0.8. Cos inverse. Did it just crash? 30. 30 degrees. 30 degrees from 0. So it should be under. Jai Sri Ram, glory to India. I'm from north. Go, let's go north. I'm also from India. I'm from the south. Theta 1 equals 30 degrees Celsius. Whoa, did I just say Celsius? Celsius is not needed. 1 divided by 2. 0.5 cos inverse. 60 degrees. Okay. Okay. So I got the cos inverse in Mr. Worldwide, so that's good. It's good from Mr. Worldwide. So how do you proceed from that? Polar form exponential form Now you have magnitudes and angles for both numbers. You can complete question 4 by writing them in the required forms, then performing the final calculation. Write the polar and exponential form. Using the values found, plug them into standard formulas. Polar bear, polar caps, polar ends, polarity, pople, piggity pum pum, pol, pum. I should stop. I know. 30 degrees. How much is 30 degrees? I forgot. I forgot? That's how you say? Nah. Why is my nose not working? Why is it not working as I want it to be? Why is my body part, my own flesh and blood, my own body not working properly? Why is my nose not taking in air? Why is it? That's not full potential. Pi 360 by 6. No, 6 are 36. Yeah, so 60 degrees. No. Let me know. Thirty by 360. Boom boom. 12. Pi by 12. Pi is 180. Yeah, I thought it was 360. Okay, okay, okay. That was correct. Okay. What do I do? That's that's the TV's reflection. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. That's cool. What the Mockwets? Es ist nix sehr einfach, oder? No, es ist nix. Now you have the exponential form. z1 equals 2 e raised to polar form is r cos theta plus I sine theta. Exponential form equals r e raised to I theta. Theta. That's I don't know. What is r? 2 cos sine pi by 3 polar form one pi by 6 cos exponential form. Compute W equals z1 squared times z2 using the exponential form, and then determine the real and imaginary part of result of W. Okay, there's more to it. Seven times, okay. So you wrote it like that. Again, why is it 5 pi by 3? Why? Why would you get that angle? Root 3 by 2 arc of cos is 5 by 6 pi? What? Can't find the value, god damn it. 3 root divided by 2. We get 30, okay. That's 30, but that's not minus. That means it's if it's not 30, then what value could it be? $105? Into 150. How's the value gonna be different? What the fuck you doing? It's gonna be 0.8. It should be minus 0.8. How is that changing? How is that changing the value, bro? What the fuck? Into 1. Into 1. Into minus 1. Am I stupid? Am I stupid? Stupid or what? What did I do? Minus 3. Minus pi by 3. Why? Why? 4. Four times 180. How much is that? Determine the real and imaginary part. What are the real and imaginary part? It's not gonna get copied, huh? Not Friday, it's Monday. Whoa, why would you write this for though? Oh yeah. R. Fuck. Mm-hmm. Yo, 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 yo. What can I do to stay alive? I could take a 10-minute break. Yes, 10 minutes break. Ten minutes. 5 minutes. You heard it, YouTube. I'll be right back. Got him. Back, son. Back, biggity back. Oh. My left or right eye? One of the eyes or just... Which eye was it? I swear, one of my eyes was so red. It's the left eye. This one. No, I can't see it. The gradient is written as, okay, build a Hessian matrix f of xx by y, final matrix form. Okay. It's all about differentiation, partial differentiation, or derivation, partial derivation. Gradient, okay. DAS, right? DMS. Yo, guess who's back? Yo, Sans fan, how you doing? I shouldn't be up this late. I'm normally not up this late, but I got an exam today. It's the goat. It's the man. My eyes. I don't know what my neighbors are thinking. They might be thinking, the fuck is he doing? You been watching them World Cup games? Nah, not really. Cause 2xy. Cause I'm not a really big football fan. But I recently watched this one, Japan versus Argentina? Yeah, I think so. England and Mexico tonight. Aha. I don't watch it that much. Brazil, yeah, it was Brazil. I don't watch it, but somehow others in the dorm were like, yo, let's watch football. And we had a spare TV on the kitchen. Someone connected their laptop and started streaming. So, okay, that's cool. Otherwise, I don't watch it. I heard today is Norway versus. Fuck. Spain? That's the gradient. Now we need to find the Hessian matrix. F of xx, f of xy, f of yy, f of yx. Right? Right? Oh, xy f of y x y y. Okay. Did not know that. Did not know that. For minus 2y minus 2 4 minus 2x. Do you watch football, Sans fan? Damn. Not gonna lie, my eyes are dripping right now. It's like say that again. Do you watch football? Do you watch soccer, or is it soccer for you? It's you're playing with foot. It's football in general, but hey, Liverpool. Liverpool. I heard of it. I call it football. I mean, I mean, come on. You're playing with your foot, and a ball is involved. So you could say football. Whoa! I just searched Liverpool, and why is? Oh, okay. Is England? England? Oh, what? Is from the country that has what? Get what? Liverpool. What? Mandem. Mandem. So I got the Haitian matrix and I got the gradient matrix. Oh, whoa, I gotta, okay, it's not just that. Okay. Yo, I forgot to charge this. Find the stationary points. To find these points, you must set the gradient equal to 0. From the second equation, there are two possibilities. So your first two stationary points are 2, 4. X equals 2 into the first equation gives 4. So when x equals 2, y equals 4, and the other one is equal to minus 4, okay. Here y is a second degree variable. I get it. Your plug what case A, case B, y equals 0, plugging y equals 0 into the first equation, 4x equals minus 8, x equals minus 2. Your third stationary point is minus 2, 0. So you start from equating the gradient equations as 0. And you get the points. Classify the points. Sufficient conditions. Now use the determinant of Hessian matrix, which you found to be equal to... Oh, what the fuck? Did I just forget how to calculate the determinant? No, I don't think so. It's like this, right? Bum, bum. No, it's y. No, it's not y. Yx. Minus 2y. How? How is it a minus 2y? I get it. I get it. So you find the determinant, then you go for 0.1, 0.2. Hessian determinant of Hessian matrix with 2. If the determinant is negative, the point is a saddle point. Result P1 and P2 are both saddle points because they both give negative. Saddle. I remember saddle. I remember drawing saddle. It looks like this, right? Dale. Yo, Sans fan, I just heard that you wrote something. I got a new game. It's called Your Only Move is Hustle. Haven't heard of this game? Let me check it. Let me look it up. Cinematic fight game that plays like chess. 10 out of 10. And it's a single guy or girl. You know. Damn, it's one person. Okay. How is it look? skin. It's like 2 stick man. It's only like $5, okay. Oh, I haven't seen this. Let me see. Oh, game looks good. I did not expect that much animation. I did not expect that much animation. It looks really fun. Most intense game of... It's turn-based? What? It did not look like it was turn-based. Was that turn-based?
Oh, now we gotta go?
DGRO, what are you doing very late? What am I doing so late? What are we doing so late? What are they doing so late? Makes you question. It's that time of the day. You sure? There's Diavolo? What?
I wanted some new characters to try on Yomi Hustle. The other day I got this comment that said, "Try
Diavolo.
I'm confused." Wait, what just happened?
No way.
Anyways, Diavolo is an extremely well-made modern character for Yomi Hustle. If you didn't know, he comes directly from the anime JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Top 3 anime for me, by the way. This antagonist uses his unique stand power to manipulate the battlefield. Just like in the manga and anime, Diavolo has the ability to erase time itself, not only giving him an advantage, but confusing the opponent if they are not familiar with the move. His ability is a little confusing to explain without a demonstration. So here, the cowboy is going to use a horizontal slice combo on Diavolo.
Stand is
However,
right there.
going to
Mods. Okay, these are mods. Okay. You can mod editing into it. Okay.
Shit,
I did not know we could erase time. Yo, we could have a Diavolo in here.
He can adjust the frames in which he will jump to. If Diavolo skips about 10-ish frames, then on the next move, the fight will skip the next 10 frames. Thus, the cowboy's attack against Diavolo.
Ah, I forgot the name of the stand. King Crimson. Oh,
has already happened, but the frames in which Diavolo would have gotten hit do not happen.
Shit.
These frames cease to exist, so only the beginning and the end exist with no in-between. If this still makes no sense to you, look up another...
Hi Josh. Yo, Devoto did appreciate you for checking out the stream. You choose a move you can do. Ah. That's sick, yeah? I mean, if you've seen the anime, it's even sick. I gotta look more into it later. I did not know this one had, I didn't sleep, no. I did not. So, if I understand how this thing works. It goes like this. Yeah, something like that. Ah, fuck, it was something like this, the saddle. I do remember the saddle was somewhere there. Morning, I got exam. Yes, I do have an exam. Where's the saddle point? It should be somewhere here. There we go. It goes like this. Then it goes like this. Okay. If I could draw the saddle point, that would be good. Should look into the saddle point. What was it called? Yomi hustle. The Yomi hustle. Not the US. Give me the Deutsche. Oh, $3. It's all fun and games, but the thing is, Windows. Only Windows. I can't draw a straight line, god damn it. That's so sad. It touches this corner. Okay, come on. Start again. We don't see that part. That's the best part. This would be the saddle point, right? Right? Saddle point. That's the saddle point. Oh, I got it wrong. It should be here. Oh man, I gotta wash my ice. My ice ain't icing. Who? Who hi? Who hello? Oh, the mint is kicking. So 0.3. That consider that. Negative determinant is the saddle point, so but we never know. Saddle points, okay. Oh no. Fuck, I hate it. Oh shit, I can make it smaller. What else do you want? Can we make it bigger? Oh yeah, we can. So I got to a saddle point. If the determinant is positive, look at the top left of the matrix. Analysis. Look at the top left of your matrix. What the fuck you mean by that? In your matrix, which is greater than 0, result determinant of Haitian matrix is greater than 0. And f of x is greater than 0. Point minus 2, 0 is the local minimum. Local minimum. societal points, but what are these? Stationary points. Stationary points. Mm-hmm. -2. I square, yeah. -4 into 4 square. Local maximum? Wait, what if... f of xx, f of xy, f of yx, yy. Okay. If the determinant is negative as shown in the source for points less than 0, point the saddle point in case you don't need to look at f of xx, the negative determinant alone is enough to classify it. If it's positive, then the top left entry becomes a deciding factor. Local minimum. If f of xx is greater than 0, positive, it is a local minimum. This is the case you found. P3 minus 2, 0, where f of xx is 1. Local maximum. If f of xx is less than 0, the point would be local maximum. While this specific function has a constant f of xx, the general mathematical rule you would follow. Okay, so f of xx greater than 0, for therefore minus 2, 0, local minimum. If f of xx less than 0, minus 2, 0, local maximum. Integral sin x root of 24 plus 3x cos x oh. Integrals using substitution and partial integration. First minus 1. Root of u plus 2. Please tell me that's right. No. Yeah, I got it right. dfx equals minus 1 by 3. No. One by root u. Okay, where's the 1 by 3? Ah, I fucking forgot the 1 by 3. Ah, it's my... That's my bad, my bad. My bad, fam. My bad. You raised to... God damn it, you raised to what? It's down. ID... ID... Ugh. Keep on forgetting. IDA... DMS, IDA. plus 1. Plus 1. IDA DMS IDA DMS DMS IDA DMS 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 DMS. That one's substitution by partial integration rule. So it's partial integration. Okay. Yep. I'm starting to remember. I was like, why is substitution not working? It was not supposed to be substitution. DMS. That could save me a lot of times. That could save me a lot of marks. Oh shit! I'm gonna end the stream, gang. Cause it's getting late and I feel like I should wake up morning 7 o'clock. I don't know. I feel like I would wake up. Something's telling me I'm gonna wake up. Peace out, YouTube. Fuck. My eyes are like, bro, just give up. Peace out, YouTube.